It is I, Rami. It isn't that the sky is falling. It's that things are changing in ways that will provide ample opportunities for new growth. This is what we, on our end, are highly interested and invested in: growth. Why? Because growth equals love. The more love that we have, the more our precious earth project can transform to reflect what we are made of. Christ is good about rolling with the punches and making the best of difficult situations. This is what we can model. Don't focus on what's happening on the surface, but rather why it's happening. This may be the first time many of you have been introduced to me. I know that Rick is a little bit in the dark about my identity. Just like Jesus, Saint Germain, and Mother Mary, I am a super soul. You can say that the super souls are siblings and were the first personified creations of I am. We had a larger and more intense amount of I am energy from the get-go, so we had a head start. All of you are our children in one way and brothers and sisters in another. Your I am energy, your souls, came from us in micro-droplet form, and now look at what has transpired. You have grown and developed and returned to the fold where you began. You came full circle. You are each living testament to the power of love, and for that we are eternally grateful. I speak for all of the super souls when I say, if they can return to love, so can everyone else. It is with great pleasure that I have this opportunity to speak with you. Each week, we will give you some insider information so we can all be on the same page. Welcome home, Christs. Welcome home. With gratitude, Rami.